Do not try this at home. See what happens. And if I could get it this way, even one of them big rocks is structure all the way around it. So no, no, no. Holy balls, I'm sinking. Alright, I'm in between rainstorms, going to get a load of rocks. I don't know if I'm going to put them in there, risk sliding this machine in there, but I think I'll be okay. So we'll find out. We got the excavator out there already at a ridge site where I busted some big ones. So, man, we might be stocking fish in this thing in a few weeks' time. Who knows?
All right, Frog Fuel. Definitely, it's not a sponsor. I wish they were, but I've been using it for like 4 months now, and this stuff is amazing. It's collagen peptides, it's amino acids and protein. It's only 60 calories. I've been dieting, trying to lose fat, of course, and this really upholds your muscle. I'll put a link in it to our Amazon page in case you're interested in trying it, but it's really good stuff.
Yeah, look at this ocean of corn and beans. Beans are turning a little yellow. Not sure if they're running out of nutrients. Got some tassels starting on the corn. I've seen a couple with two ears already starting. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed we get a good crop here of corn this year. Watch this up here when we go through this gap. There's a double right there. There's a double right there. Double right there. Woo! There's a triple this way. No, it's a double. It's a double. Oh, I hate this thing. Stupid one. Gee. Couple singles. Double. Nice. Woo! Progress. Alright, heading into the woods. This was one of the very first roads I made on this property 2 years ago. I probably 200 yards up and rock legs, so take back into my old fields. But pretty up here, very beautiful. Man, beautiful. Yes, the wiper still works, even though I busted it and bent it a few times. Ooh, right, go, baby. Alright, let me show you what we got here. I got to be careful here. It is a hillside, but I think I'm good. These 3 big ones Sharon wants to save. And I got all them big ones down here and down that hill we're going to grab. And we're going to track them uphill. Alright. It's going to be interesting. You see how greasy it is. Going back uphill. But maybe stones will give me a little weight for traction.
Alright, so I'm going to be battling Mother Nature in a few ways. First of all, it's slick, it's drizzling and been raining on and off for the last couple days. So I'm going to struggle with these stones, but I'm going to fast forward this first batch because then I'm going to pop the windshield open and give you guys a better view. So I'll fast forward the first batch and show you how I started getting the high lifter loaded, and then we'll get back and see if I can complete at least one. I mean, this is a huge, this bucket is just gargantuan on this John Deere, but we'll see if we can complete today's mission. Let's get back into it.
Sure if I was going to get this one, but I got that. So I'm just picking and swinging, making the pile bigger as I go up. All right, I brought the big machine up. It's downhill. Hopefully I'll be able to back up with this load, with this greasy clay. Oh, shucks, that's a lot bigger than it looks. All right. Woo. See if I can get this big one. Dang it. Damn greasy clay. Well, even one of them big rocks is structure all the way around it, so more the better, but even some of them big ones in and of themselves are really just good for fish habitat, so every one is a bonus. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them as greasy as the clay is. I don't know right now. I might have to let it try to dry out, which I don't know how long that'll be. Oh, you sucker. Come on now. Oh, really? No, no, no! Damn it! Oh, you sucker. Woo! I'm gonna say that's a load of rock. Not bad. See if I get one more up there in that corner. I can tilt that just a little bit more back if I raise it up a little out of the way in case I don't get back to it. Oh, stinker. Stinker. Well, see what happens. And if I could get it this way, I think it could work. Maybe. Or this way, maybe. Well, okay, let me go lift up that. Let me go lift up the bucket and try that. All right, I backed the machine up. As soon as I lifted that bucket, it was like, woo, wanting to bog down the hill. So I backed it up the ankle a little bit. Come on, baby. Get a pair. Get a pair. Do not try this at home. Shit. Should have turned the idle down. Hopefully I didn't break my windshield up there. But, alright. Let me park this thing out of the way. Woo! Woo! I don't know if that's going to stay or not. It might fall off. We'll find out. Let's go get in the other machine. Oh. Alright, here's what we got. I ain't gonna walk in front of it just in case I'm going around the back, but man, we'll see. Luckily I did these cleats this year, otherwise this would have been a no-go. No way. Look at the sun's out all of a sudden. Gotta be really careful. It's really slimy. Really dangerous. Climbing in and out. Easy does this. Easy. If I can get it to flat ground, I think I'll make the trip. But I'm still going uphill in reverse. Normally you don't want to lift your loader up, but you can get a little more tilt sometimes. I wonder if I turn the self-leveling loader off. I still ain't getting any extra tilt out of it.
All right, so I'll fast forward this because it's a really slow go. I'm got to back myself out, turn myself around till I get on relatively flat ground, and then we'll continue this trek and see if I can keep this awesome load all together or if I'm going to lose that big one along the way.
Man, it's going to be some great bass fishing spots. Woo, made it through the gap. That's progress. Yeah, it's progress. We're getting on flatter ground now. Woo! All right, man. It's going to be a long ride back. I'll probably turn you back on once we get back and I decide what I'm going to do with this. It's going to be slow. This is how fast I'm going the whole way. I don't think I'm going to bump it up much. Alright, I got it stabilized. I found out if I lower it just a little, that bucket touches at the top, and so now it's not wobbling anymore. So I feel much better right now. All right, we hit the fields. It's pretty flat straight now. I could probably speed up a little bit.
Mid-Missouri, plastic front 96.7 GCM.
All right, almost there. Just gotta get up this driveway and lift. All right, man, just about here. Woo! All right. That's it for now, baby. Success so far. I'm gonna start over here and drop the big one and whatever else comes with it, then I'm gonna go over there. I mean, you can just stay in the buggy, it's fine. All right, here we go, baby. Oh, whoo, wasn't expecting that. They're calling for more rain tonight. I want to try and get these in place. Might be my last chance at getting rock piles in here. At least at any depth anyways. Holy balls, I'm sinking. Might be my last chance at getting rock piles in here. At least at any depth anyways. Holy balls, I'm sinking. Stop. Okay, I'll take that. All right. Whew, what a mess. Look at this damn jeepers creepies. Wow, what a junk mess, but at least we'll get a couple more rock piles in today. Holy buckets. I think I can back this, I'm not sure. Nah, it's gonna be too wet to compact. What a mess. Woo. Man, it's a mess.
Man, I can't believe how much water is in this thing already. This is just crazy. All right, we got 2 more rock piles anyways. Look at what a mess this is. I mean, I can't even track in there, even up there. You know, I wrecked the compaction and grading I had, but they're calling for rain tonight again, so we'll see what happens. Whew. Might be 5 feet deep by the morning. Wow, we literally just dropped them rocks and it's starting to rain. Like literally 5 minutes ago. So I guess timing was pretty good for that salvage op.